Hey, how's it going, guys? So we're here at the Hawaii. Here's the beach. It's gonna be a beautiful day. It's a little bit windy today, but I'm gonna show you what I got the other day at the Target. So let me pull out some toys here. It's the Hot Wheels. It's the 92 Ford Mustang. I haven't seen this one in my area, so the boxing is damaged, but that's not the reason why I got it. I got it because I'm going to open it later, so I like it. It's really different than any other ones that I've seen, so that's one of them. It's a 92 Ford Mustang. That's one. Let's see the other one. The other one is Chrysler Tracker. Circle Tracker. Circle Tracker. So yeah, all of these were they damaged the boxes, but I bought it because I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna put them on my display. So it's the 75th anniversary, I believe, what it says right there. 75, 1945. Yep. So that's one of them. I like this one. It's pretty cool. And let's see what else we have. Beautiful beach right here. So we have 69 Chevelle. So big tires. The front. Double-sided scoop hood. That's another one. Let's see what else we got. We got one more. Here's another one. It's a truck. It's a mini truck. It's a Mazda Repute. All of these packaging are destroyed. I was looking for the good ones, but apparently they were all destroyed. So I just got them because I'm gonna open them up on my display when I come home from Hawaii. But I like this one. It's really different. I haven't seen it anywhere else, so that's why I bought these here. So this one's nice. Some more beach view. And I got one more, which is Lycia 92 BMW M3. So I wish they colored the back lights in like maybe red or a little bit yellow, so they're a little bit more distinguished, but it is what it is. And the front, they should have put the headlights and fog lights a little bit, maybe yellow or white. I mean, not white, like clear or something like that. But here's the hood. It says Policia. So it's a BMW. So that's all we got today for now. So I'll probably be checking maybe Walmart later on tonight to see if I can find anything. So we're here at Hawaii, Honolulu Beach. So I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of the day at the, what's the name of the beach? Lanikai Beach. It's really quiet and it's a windy day. So here we go, guys. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like.